This video will show you how to use the DJI Pilot 2 app. Launch DJI Pilot 2. On the home screen, you will see a white L-shaped area and 2 colored areas in the bottom left corner. We recommend that you perform 6 checks around the white L-shaped area. In the number 1 area, the profile icon directs to the settings screen. Tap this icon. Then you can log into your DJI account. Check message notifications. View the flight history. View how to unlock GEO zones. Configure map settings. And view the help documentation. The shield icon is for data and privacy settings. You can set network security mode to standard mode, restricted network mode, or local data mode. In local data mode, the device is operated totally offline. You can quickly clear the cache of the app and delete device logs to ensure data security. In the number 2 area, you can check whether you are in GEO zones. Prompts appear if you are within a GEO or restricted zone. If the GEO zone map is outdated, tap the exclamation mark in the top right corner to update the map. If you are in a restricted zone, contact DJI support to apply for an unlocking license. After your application is approved, you can go to the license screen to import your unlocking license. On the GEO zone map screen, you can see the remote controller icon, the drone icon, and the home point icon. Tap the information icon on the right, and then control the display of flight areas in different colors, making the GEO zone map simpler and easier to understand. The location icon is used to display the map with the remote controller at the center. The icon below controls whether to lock map rotation with north at the top of the map. The icon down below controls the display of map layers. In the number 3 area, you will see the cloud service connection status. Tap to enter the cloud services screen. Then tap the Delivery Hub icon to enter the team that has logged in to DJI Delivery Hub. You can set your nickname within the team. You can tap the Delivery Hub icon to switch teams. In the number 4 area, you will see the operation status, such as normal, caution, or warning. Tap to enter the UAV health management system. If the drone is faulty, you can select the fault on the Manage Logs screen and contact DJI support. In the number 5 area, you will see the connected drone, payloads, remote controller status, and firmware notifications. Tap the remote controller icon to enter quick settings for the remote controllers A and B. If the remote controller is not connected to the drone, tap Link to Aircraft to enter the linking process. In the number 6 area, tap Enter Camera View. The pre-flight checklist appears. Check the items and ensure everything is in order. Tap the close icon in the top right corner to enter the camera view. As for the other parts on the home screen, the 2 colored areas in the bottom left corner are Flight Route and Academy respectively. Tap to enter the Flight Route screen. You can create a route in the route library, or import a KMZ or KML file. During a flight task, you can enter the camera view to check the task progress. Tap to enter the Favorite screen, where you can view your favorite routes, whether local or on the cloud. Tap to enter the Cloud screen to view all flight routes on the cloud. You can search for flight routes or download multiple flight routes at a time. In the Academy area, you can view the tutorials, flight tips, and user guides of products.